In this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy someone's playlist on Spotify into your own. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on your iPhone and your computer. So the first thing you need to do is log in Spotify, log into your account, and search the playlist that you want to copy. Okay, in my case, I will use this one just for example. Okay, and after doing that, you need to find the music that you want to copy to your playlist. If you want to copy all the musics, you need to make this process on all the musics, okay, all the songs. So you need to click on these three dots right here, click add to playlist on the third option, and select the playlist that you want to add. Okay, if you want to add all the songs, you need to make this process on all the songs. Okay, now if you are on PC, it's very easy. Okay, you just need to click on the music, press shift and click on another music. Okay, and you will select all musics. You can also press Ctrl and A, and then you click with the right button and drag to add to playlist and select the playlist that you want to add the musics. Okay, I hope I help you on how to copy someone's Spotify playlist into your own. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.